Good morning, students. Yesterday I gave one worksheet. Now I will explain that worksheet again. Okay. In that first one, the first one is if two liquids are okay, first one, two liquids. Here A and B are the two liquids. A temperature of here A liquid of mass M1 equal to 3m. Next temperature mass of the second liquid M2 equal to 4m. Next one, temperature of the first liquid equal to 60 degrees Celsius. Temperature of the second liquid equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, 20 degrees Celsius, and the specific heat capacity of first liquid equal to 4, and the second liquid of specific capacity is S2 equal to 5. S2 equal to 5 calorie per gram degree Celsius. 4 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Here 5 calorie per gram degree Celsius. These two are mixed together. These two liquids are mixed together. Then find the resultant temperature. So the two liquids are mixed together with a resultant temperature M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 by M1 S1 plus M2 S2. M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 by M1 plus M2. It is the resultant temperature. Okay. Then what is the M1 here? 3m. S1 equal to 4. S1 equal to 4 and T1 equal to 60 plus M2 equal to 4m into S2 equal to 5 into T2 equal to 20 by M1 S1 equal to 3m into S1 4 plus M2 equal to 4m into S2 equal to 5. Now so 3m into 4m 12 into 60. 12 into 60 720. So 12 into T equal to 720m plus 4 into by 20 into 100 5 into 20 100 into 4 400 m. So 400 m by 3m into 4 12m plus 4m into 5 20m. that equal to 720 plus 400. 720 plus 400. 0 to 1120. So 1120 by 20 32 m. So m and it cancel and equal to 1120 by 32. So t equal to 1120 by 32. That equal to okay 1120 by 32 equal to 35 degrees Celsius. That equal to 35 degrees Celsius. So the resultant temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. The resultant temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next question number 2. Two liquids are 40 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. They are mixed in equal masses. The resultant temperature of the mixture is 30 degrees Celsius. Then find the ratio, specific capacity of the liquid 1 and the liquid 2. Question number 2. Two liquids are at 40 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. When they are mixed in equal masses, the temperature of mixture is 36 degrees Celsius. Is 36 degrees Celsius. Then ratio of the specific heat capacity is, so here then find the specific capacity is then here m1 equal to m2 equal to m. Two liquids with equal mass, T1 equal to 40 degrees Celsius and T2 equal to 30 degrees Celsius. But resultant temperature is given, that is 36 degrees Celsius. Then find the S1 is to S2 equal to 1. Here S1 means specific heat capacity of first liquid and specific heat capacity of the second liquid. So the two liquids are mixed together with different mass, different specific heat capacity with different temperature. Then resultant temperature is M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 by M1 S1 plus M2 S2. What is the given values here? Mass is equal. M1 equal to M into S1 into temperature of the first liquid, that is 40 degrees Celsius. 40 plus M2 equal to M, S2 equal to S2 into T2, that is 30 degrees Celsius by M into S1 plus M into S2, that is T equal to 36 degrees Celsius. So here 36 equal to 40 ms 1 plus 30 ms2 by m into s1 plus s2. Therefore 36 is equal to m into 40s1 plus 30s by m into s1 plus s2. So here m get cancelled. Now I am going to cross 36 into s1 plus s2. 36 into s1 plus s2 is equal to 40s1 plus 30s2. So here 36s1 plus 36s2 equal to 40s1 plus 30s2. Okay. Now here 36s2 minus 30s2 equal to 40s1 minus 36s1. So here 6s2 equal to 4s1. We got here 6s2 is equal to the 4s1. 6s2 equal to 4s1. Okay, so we can write here like this also. 4s1 equal to 6s2. s2 coming to this side by 4 coming to this side by. So here s1 by s2 equal to 6 by 4. s1 by s2 equal to 6 by 4. 2 3s, 2 2s. So here s1 by s2 equal to 3 by 2. Therefore s1 is to s2 equal to 3 is to 2. That is 3 is to 2. S1 is to s2 equal to 3 is to 2. Okay. Next one. Next one. Question number 3. Here 3. The temperature of equal masses of 3 different liquids A, B, C at 3 different temperatures. If A and B are mixed, then resultant is 16. B and C are mixed, then resultant is 23. If A and C are mixed, then find the resultant temperature. Then find the resultant temperature. Three liquids are question number 3. A, B, C are the 3 liquids of mass is equal. M1 equal to M, M2 equal to M, and M3 equal to M. Okay. Yes. T1 equal to temperature A liquid equal to 12 degrees Celsius. Temperature of B liquid equal to 90 degrees Celsius. Next, temperature of C liquid equal to 28 degrees Celsius. Okay. Here A liquid and B liquid are mixed together. Then resultant is 60 is given. Next, B and C. Temperature of B and C are mixed together. Then resultant is T equal to 23 degrees Celsius. Then find the A and C. A and C are mixed resultant, we can find here S1 and S2. S1 and S2. So here T equal to first one. Here A and B are mixed together. Then T equal to M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 by M1 S1 plus M2 S2. It is the resonant temperature if A and B are mixed together. So here A and B are mixed together, the resonant is 16. So here 16 equal to M1 M. So our aim is to find the S1 value into T1 is given, that is 12 plus M2 equal to M into S2 into T2, that is 19 by M into S1 plus M into S2 equal to 16. So I am writing here T equal to M into 12 ms 12 M into S1 plus 19 M S2 by M S1 plus M S2. So here T equal to 12 into S1 plus 19 into S2 into M by S1 plus S2 into M. So here M can be cancelled. Here result equal to here 16. Result is given 16. And break cross here. Break cross 16 into S1 plus 16 into S2 equal to 12 S1 plus 19 S2. So 16 S1 minus 12 S1 equal to 19 S2 minus 16 S2. So 16 S2 minus 12 S1 equal to 4 S1 equal to 3 S2. So S1 by S2 equal to 3 by 4. That means here S1 equal to 3 and S2 equal to 4. S2 equal to 4. Then our aim is to find the S3 also. Our aim is to find the S3. Now B and C are mixed together. B and C are mixed together. Then find S3 value. Now B and C are mixed together. What is the result? 23. Now here we got S1 equal to 3 and S2 equal to 4. Now B and C are mixed together, then T equal to 23 degrees Celsius. So T equal to B mass into specific capacity S2 and temperature T2. Next C mass is M3, specific capacity S3 and temperature is T3 by M2 S2 plus M3 S3. So what is the result here? 23. So 23 equal to M2 M into S3 into T2, that is 19 plus M3 M into S3 into T3, that is 28 by M into S2 plus M into S3. Therefore 23 equal to 19 M into S1 plus 28 M into S3. Sorry, S2 here by M into S2 plus M into S3. So 23 equal to M into 19s2 plus 28 into s2 by m into s2 plus s3. So here m will be cancelled. Now I am doing class with 23 into s2. 23 into s2 plus 23 into s3 equal to 19s2 plus 28 s3. 28 s3. Now 23s2 minus 19s2 equal to 28s3 minus 23s3. So here 23 minus 19 that equal to 4s. So 4s2 equal to here 5s3. So here s2 by, but s2 equal to how much here? s2 equal to 3. Come on. Here 4s2 equal to 5s3, but s2 equal to here 4. s2 equal to 4. The base of s2 we can write here 4. 4 into 4 equal to 5 into s3. Okay. Now 16 equal to 5 into s3. So s3 equal to 16 by 5. 16 by 5. It is the s3 value. So s3 equal to 16 by 5. 16 by 5. Now here A and C are mixed together. A and C are mixed together. Then find the resultant temperature. Here A and C are mixed together. Then find the resultant temperature. So here A and C are mixed together. Then find resultant temperature A and C. So T equal to M1 S1 T1 plus M3 S3 T3 by M1 S1 plus M3 S3. Now M1 equal to M, S1 equal to 3 and T1 equal to 12 plus M3 equal to M into S3, that is 16 by 5 into T3, that is 28 by M into S1 3 plus M into S3 16 by 5. 16 by 5. Then resultant case. Result here T equal to 3 into 12 36m plus 16 into 28 by 28 into 16 amma 28 into 16. Okay, that is 448 into m by 5 by 3m plus 16m by 5. So here 5 into 36 180. So here LCM equal to 5 that is 180m plus 448m by 5 by LCM 5. So that is 15m plus 16m by 5. So we can write here 180 means 448 448 plus 180, that is 620. 620 m by 5 into 31 into 5 by 31 m. So m will cancel, 5 will cancel. So here t equal to 620 by 31. 620 by 31. 628, sorry, 8 sorry, here 628. 628 by 31. Therefore, result is 20.26. Therefore, result is 20.26 degree Celsius. It is the process to find the result temperature. Okay. Okay. Remaining questions tomorrow I will explain. Okay. Thank you.